So we are asynchronous today, and so this is the assignment that you will be completing. You will also find that down here, the video I'm recording at this minute will be attached to your assignment, so you can watch this to help you to complete it. Alright, so it says read the instructions, watch my video, and complete the assignment below. So this is what your assignment is going to look like, and when you open it up, it says, and I'm going to write part 1, contractions. Start by listing 5 contractions, just like I did in my examples. What I mean by that is, I don't want just the contraction, so I want you to tell me what 2 words combine together to make the new contraction. Alright, so remember, contractions are when you take 2 words, you combine them together, and you replace a letter or 2 with an apostrophe. Alright, so in this case, I plus will makes I'll. She plus will makes she'll. After that, you do the same down here. So you can choose 5 different contractions and write the 2 words, add them together. What is the new word? That will be the contraction. So that should be fairly easy. It shouldn't take too long. Part 2 is the daily fix-it. So I'm going to bold the parts that you need to complete. And so part 2 is the daily fix-it, and the directions say read the sentences below and rewrite them after you fix the errors in them. So this is what it could look like. This is an example. Alright, the sentence that I wrote first is take your book to the table. And so I want you to rewrite this correctly, and I want you to bold or highlight. So this is how you change the text color. This is how you would bold the word. So if you notice that table was spelled incorrectly, I want you to spell it correctly, and then you would click on the bold button, or you can change the font color. Alright, your choice. But I need to know what things you fixed up. So I have not created the extra sentences yet. Alright, but this is how you're going to do it in your assignment. They will be down here. There will be at least 3 of them. Okay, so it says take your book to the table. Well, first of all, sentences start with a capital letter, so that's one fix. The contractions we've been learning, you and are make the contraction your. So if I replace that and say take your book to the table, does that make sense? No, it doesn't. So then I need to put the possessive form of your here. Book is spelled right. This is the wrong form of to, so I fixed that. And table was spelled wrong, and so you're going to do the exact same thing. And once you've done that, you are done with your assignment.